Imagine a classroom, morning sunlight drifting gently through the windows, the teacher writing on the board, kids flipping through textbooks, scribbling notes, raising eager hands, and right in the middle of that classroom sits a child with retinitis pigmentosa, quiet, focused, determined, trying to follow the lesson, but the words on the page are blurry, the board is too far, and the teacher is moving fast. Most people would think this child is already at a disadvantage. But today, that's no longer true. Because today, this child has AI by their side. The teacher explains a difficult concept. Some students struggle to understand. Others stop taking notes because they can't keep up. But the RP student, they gently open their device, point it toward the page, and suddenly, everything changes. The paragraph in the textbook becomes a clear, calm voice, reading it aloud. Not rushed, not mumbled, just perfect, steady. And at their pace, a confusing science topic turns into a simple story. A long chapter transforms into a neat, clear summary. Notes they could never fully see are now captured instantly, organized, structured, ready to learn. No one around notices the magic unfolding, but the child feels it, the stress fading, the pressure dissolving, the confidence rising. AI turns what used to be a struggle into a superpower, while others rely only on their eyes. This child learns with a system built for clarity. The teacher asks, "Who can explain this?" Hands rise slowly, cautiously, and then, with quiet confidence, the RP student raises theirs too. This is the power of AI. It doesn't replace ability, it amplifies it. For a child with RP, it becomes the equalizer, the bridge between limitation and leadership. This child isn't just keeping up anymore. They're beginning to lead, softly, steadily, proudly. Because AI didn't change who they are. It unlocked who they were always meant to become.